Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about custom theme formatting in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. In December 2019, Microsoft released a new version in Power BI Desktop and they are given lots of updates. Each one of them is custom theme formatting. To enable this one, first of all, you need to go to File, Options and Settings, and then Options. Before that, you need to update the latest version of Power BI Desktop, and then go to Preview feature, and you need to enable Customize Current Theme. Then click OK. Once you've done that, and this is my Power BI file, if you go to this View and then the Themes tab, you'll see a new option, Customize Current Theme. Cool. They are given many features here. It will select the default theme what you have selected, and then you need to select the theme color. You can customize it. Color 1, color 2, color 6, color 8 are there, and then the sentiment colors. Colors used in key performance indicator, KPI visuals, and waterfall chart to indicate the positive, negative, or neutral results. Let it be this color. And then the divergent colors. Colors used in conditional formatting to show where a data point falls in a range. Okay, from green, I think it is green. It should be green, yellow, and then the red. Super. If you want to revert the default, you can click on this one. It will revert back to the default theme. In the name and colors, and the name and colors, and then the advanced is here. Choose color for different elements in a visual like axis, grid lines, and text boxes font. Curious about what's each category, you can click on learn more. There is a first level, second level, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. That is background color and secondary background element. Yeah, let it be this one. This looks cool. You want to change the color, you can change it as per your requirement. The next option is text. In the general tab, there is an indicator here. Text formatting cannot be customized in custom or built-in themes that were added to report before September 2019. It means you can't able to change the theme if the report has been made before September 2019. Let's have a look at what are the features we can't able to do before September 2019 files. The text, and then the title, and then the cards, as well as for tab headers. Let's go to visuals. You can change for page, you can change for filter pane, you can change. Only the text we can't able to make any changes. Okay, for the text we'll get back to this on a few minutes later. Let's go to this visual directly. In the visual tab, then there is option is background. The visual background by default it should be white, that is right, and the transparent should be 15. That's okay. If you want to change, you can change. And then the borders by default it should be off. If it is on, then what the color it should be. Just in case this color, or how much the radius, the edge corner of it. If it's set to 15, you can change it here. 15. If you want to revert back to each and every stage, you can do that. Revert to default, it will revert back to default. And then the header, the visual headers, the background color, I want it to be sky blue. Okay, and then the border color is white, and the transparency it will be 20%. And then the icon color, if you make any icon, what's the icon color? And then the tooltip, label font color white, value font color white, background color black. That's okay. The next one is page and then wallpaper. Format the area behind the report page. The wallpaper, if you want to set, you can set it here. Example this, and then the transparency to be 40%. And then the page background, if you want to set, you can set. I just want to show you how it will look. So I'm setting it up now, 50% page background. And then the filter pane, this is the one, the background color, and then the transparency, font and icon, let it be blue, font, and then available card filters, format filter cards that have been applied to visual. Okay, for this I'm selecting it to be this color, transparency 50, and then font icon color, font size. And applied filter cards, the background color, transparency, font color, and font size. That's it. If you want to apply, you can apply it here. Once done, cool. It has affected the theme and then formatting. Only the text I am not able to do this because of, the files has been created before September 2019. So what are the themes I have selected? It has customized there. Let's have a look at the different pages. On each and every page also it has changed the color, the indicators, the headers, the background colors, and then the page background, and then the filter colors, everything, and then the category colors. These are super cool features they have given here. So let's go to the create a new report, and then let's go to the text formatting. This is a new report, and then view tab, go to this one, and then customize current theme. Let's go to this text. It is available here. So format the text. I want to be Siguri. In general, the font size should be 10, and then font color should be black. Super. And then the title, I want the title to be same. Siguri blue, bold, black, and then this one for the cards also as well. I need this. There's a font color, and then the tab header should be semi-bold. Title should be semi-bold. Only these four options they are given, so I'm just clicking apply and save. Let's change something else for the text, and then in general I want to change it to be cosmic sense, just to have a look if anything changes or not. Yeah, it is changing this one. Super cool. Not only that, you can even export the theme if you want, and you can send it to someone else, the theme JSON file, and they can re-import this file on the report. Click on this one, browse for themes. You look for JSON file, and they will select your theme. Once they have selected, they can import it there. So there are plenty of changes here they have given for the customization of theme. You need to go and look into detail and customize it for your organization and for your taste. This is just an overview, the features what is available here I have given here. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. And if you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any feedback and queries, please post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.